Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, we will be learning how to change graphic setting for smooth gameplay in Honkai Star Rail. If you are trying to make your game run smoother without lag in Honkai Star Rail, then here's how you can do this. First thing you want to do is to open the Honkai Star Rail game on your device. And once you're inside the game, go ahead and click on the phone icon or the menu icon at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, click on Settings on the right. Inside the Settings menu, you will see the graphic settings. Click on Graphic Quality drop-down. For smoother gameplay, if you have a low-end device, make sure to select Low or the very low option and click on Confirm. After you do that, the resolution also will be changed according to your selection, and the FPS will also be able to change. Make sure that the shadow quality is in low and the reflection, character, environmental details are all set to low. Turning these settings down helps the game run smoother, especially on low-end devices. After changing these settings, get back to your gameplay screen and you'll notice that your graphics are a little decreased, but your game will run smoother. So that's how you optimize your Honkai Star Rail for smoother gameplay experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.